If you speak English and you learn a lot, you can talk to people from all over the world.
What's your full name?
Okay, my full name is Cedric Arthur Vito, but you can call me Vito or Cedric. But for me, I like to call by Cedric because when I hear like Cedric, it's a cool, like British name. Yeah.
Where do you come from?
I come from Jepara. So my mother is from Demak, but my father is from Jepara. But I don't know about their decision to live in Jepara, and now I live in Jepara.
Are you a student?
No, I am not student because I graduated from my high school. It's just last year, so I am a fresh graduate.
How old are you?
For now, I am 19, but in this year, I will be 20.
What's your hobby?
Hobby. If we talk about my hobby, for now, I like go to the gym, but sometimes I play with my friends, like play a game or hang out with them. I like to do that.
What is your father name?
My father name is Abdul.
Is your father a teacher?
My father is not teacher, but he's like entrepreneur. Yeah, he work in furniture. Yeah.
Do you like sing a song?
To answer this question, yo, I like to sing a song, but I am not confident about my voice. Yeah, but sometimes I sing a song just alone. Yeah.
When did you finish elementary school?
I finished my elementary school. It's around 6 years because I graduated from my high school is last year. It's for 3 years, and for my junior high school is 3 years. So it's around 6 years or 7 years. Yeah.
Do you have brother and sister?
Yeah, I have one brother and one sister, and now my brother lives in Bekasi, and my sister still in Jepara with me.
Give me your experience about English.
Okay, my experience about English. Actually, I don't really like about English before, but after I went to Pare, yeah, I see like a lot of people in there can speak well English, and for me it seems like so cool for me. So I want to learn about English more, and I hope English can give me knowledge or something, and it will be helpful for me. Yeah, that's all from me about my experience in English.
Thank you very